Well, today's the 18th of February and it's about 32 degrees outside. And it's just amazing. This is February. So we have a 4-stroke Suzuki that we were working on. It was just routine maintenance. A little EFI Mercury and routine service. A Force. And a yard full of them out back. So we got a Force. And here's where we're mainly running into right now. This is a boat that's got a 13 sticker. It's been sitting for 10 years. And it's about ready to hit. We've got a lake test on it. Here's a pontoon boat. 19 sticker. It's been sitting. Here's a EFI Mercury. This one's been sitting for 5 years. Maybe it's got a 2016 sticker on it. So it seems like everybody's brought their boats out thinking it's ahead of time. So I got Mercury, Johnson, Yamaha, Force, Suzuki, pontoon, aluminum, Stratus, duck boat, little everything. And it's the middle of the winter. So if you're thinking you're gonna get your boat in and beat the crowd, it's not gonna work.